Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a Remitly account right there in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what we're going to do, we're simply going to go ahead first, open up our Remitly app in our mobile phone that we have installed. Once we have opened it up, this is basically going to look like here in the interface. So you can see if you have already account, we will find this email address option, the password option, and tapping in, sign in. We are done with that. But we want to join, we want to create a new account. We can tap on this join Remitly, which will give us an option of from. We can tap on this drop down menu and choose our country, and to choose your country, again tap on this drop down menu and can choose our country over there. Then afterwards we're going to tap on this next option. Let's go ahead, choose our country for the matter. And then after we have done tapping, adding both of our countries, we're going to enter our email address that you want to create our account with. We're going to make a password for ourselves. Tap on this join Remitly, then we will get a code in our email address. We're going to enter that code over here for a security purpose, and then once it scans, we got verified, then we will be able to create our account in Remitly and we will be done with it. So this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.